All right, today we're gonna try and fix the oiler on a chainsaw. So that's the oiler part. That's a new chain. And this is the chainsaw. And it is a Husqvarna chain. Husqvarna 460. I think they call it the Rancher. So I'm going to pull the bar and blade off first, get it out of my way. Guide. Oh. Chain off. Take the bar off. Okay, now we need to take this cover off. What was that? Oh, seed pod. So this cover comes off with a Phillip tip. 1, 2, 3. All right, covers off. Okay, so I need to pull that off. That's left-handed thread, but to get that off, you have to lock the piston. I need to take this spark plug out. Okay, once the spark plug is out, you put a rope in here, and what that does is allows you to tighten this up, and you'll jam the piston without damaging it. So let's see here. There it goes. Whew. All right. So now we can undo this. Remember, left-handed thread. Okay, that whole stuff comes off. There's a bearing here. This bearing, needle bearing, we don't want to lose that. Let me clean this up a little before I pull that the rest of the way off. Okay, that looks a little better. Now this thing should come off. This little plastic deal, I think. Oh, yeah. Now we take off this cover. And here's our oiler. This plastic thing drives our oiler, and that all actually looks good. That's fine. Let's take the oiler out. Well, it looks okay. So I'm going to blow this out, make sure this isn't clogged. And then check that, make sure that's not clogged. That might be clogged. Okay, this line, that is not clogged. So I'm beginning to think that maybe the coming from the oil reservoir is clogged. There's a little smooge in there. That looks clear now. So I'm thinking I did see a little dirt or something in there. So I'm thinking that may have been the issue, because this new and old oiler it looks fine. Normally you see a wear on there or something. Who knows, maybe there's something inside here that's worn. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Put this back on. Now, okay. All right, now we can put this setup back on. Okay. Okay, that's for that. You put the spark plug back in. Okay. Put that on. All right. So I'm going to run it and see if I get oil coming out of there.